the time when Bhagwan Shri Krishna revealed Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna and to, of course, us as well. So the favorite slok that I love from this segment is विजयवन्तः वधु नेष्यन्ति ले जाएंगे
मैं ये बोल बोल के ना वो सच्ची लेके चला जाएगा
अशुभ समाचार
हाँ। थाई के पान बनारस वाला अब मैं यही बोली गया हूँ उनका कुछ कुछ होता है फिर से मिलते हैं को संस्कृत में क्या बोलेंगे मैम हाय हेलो नमस्ते दर्शकों, मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट और दोस्त श्रद्धा बिरारी और आप देख रहे हैं हमारा ब्रांड न्यू शो जिसका नाम है अनस्क्रिप्टेड। यहाँ आपको धमाल मस्ती मजा सब मिलेगा लेकिन स्क्रिप्ट नहीं, क्योंकि इसका नाम ही है ना अनस्क्रिप्टेड। और आज का एपिसोड होने वाला है बहुत ही स्पेशल, क्योंकि आज जो हमारी गेस्ट है शी इज सो ब्यूटीफुल, bubbly and multi-talented. She's an artist, but also she runs her own Sanskrit coaching classes. So let's welcome the one and only Dhanvi Mehta. Hello, ma'am. Welcome to our podcast.
नमस्ते
नमस्ते. So, मैम पहला सवाल आपको लाइक कैसा लग रहा है एंड जस्ट गिव अस अ शॉर्ट ब्रीफ अबाउट योर जर्नी.
It's such a pleasure that you all have invited me here. It's beautiful to be a part of this podcast. So thank you so much for inviting me. It's indeed a privilege to be here, first of all. Next thing about my Sanskrit journey, it started when I was 9 and I have a very spiritual environment at my home. So naturally there used to be stotras, mantras, everything going on in the house, and right from my childhood the entire sanskar happened right from my house. Moreover, my mom is a Sanskrit teacher, so it goes without saying that I was naturally going to be inclined towards this beautiful language. Apart from that, my dad inspired me to create a Sanskrit page on social media, and that is why the entire Dhanvi Sanskrita Sarvasvam started. And he told me, if you know Sanskrit, please spread it to the world. Let people know this divine language. Let them learn it, and let's bring glory to Bharat and to this beautiful language once again. So, and then once it started, I've never looked back.
So nice. And tell us about your art. Like you are the artist, okay? No doubt in that. I have seen your all the like projects and all. So when did this thing started?
Right. So, I don't know, but I definitely give credit to my mom for this. Uh, a very true story. When my mom was pregnant with me, she would paint a lot. My mom is also into art, so I guess वो गर्भ संस्कार हो गया.
हाँ.
And then I also naturally got inclined towards art. When I was a baby, I was just 2 years old, and then I used to love being with colors, pencils. I always used to spend my time more with papers than toys. So that's how the art journey started, and I would definitely credit everything to God. Without His grace and blessings, it would have never been possible. So माँ सरस्वती की कृपा तो है ही, उसी के कारण ये संस्कृत हो, आर्ट हो, टीचिंग हो, जो भी हो, ये सब कुछ मैं कर पा रही हूँ. So naturally, so first teacher, be it my Sanskrit journey or be it my art journey, has been my mom.
Oh, and how you balance this both?
Wow, good question. Since I was passionate about it, I always used to look forward to it. So I have been a very curious child since childhood. I used to always be curious about the mysteries of the world, how this works, how does this work, how does that work. Art is so beautiful. I just want to spend time with it. Be it Sanskrit mantra, be it Krishna Bhagwan ka story, ka journey, be it anything, was very curious about things. So I guess that curiosity shaped me into what I am today. So I did everything with a lot of interest rather than being bored. So when you're not bored, you find a lot of fun in doing all these things. So it was easy to juggle with everything and easy to manage and balance everything.
Wow.
It just happened.
So nice. One moment that you realize कि हाँ मैं जहाँ हूँ मैं जो काम कर रही हूँ I'm very happy.
Oh my God! Spot on. This happens every single day. Right since when I became a teacher, I always dreamt of becoming a teacher. I just wanted to make learning fun for students, and every single day I count my blessings. I thank God. I thank my parents. I thank everyone. Students like you who have been my students and who have just made my day every day so beautiful. I just thank God, touch wood. मतलब how can I be so lucky?
Oh.
But I am lucky, and every single day I do this. I realize that I am in the right place because I am getting to make art. I'm getting to teach art. I'm getting to teach Sanskrit. I'm getting to do everything that I'm passionate about. This is my dream life, and I'm living
Aw.
it. So I definitely credit God for this and wholesome students like you all who just make my life so much colorful.
You are, ma'am. You deserve it a lot.
It's just God's grace and love of people like you that has made this possible. It's just a pleasure to be here, to be a part of this beautiful journey, and we are sharing so many moments together. We are so fortunate to be in each other's company. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू मैम. सो गाइस, बातें तो अब बहुत हो चुकी है. नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर द फन एंड इंटरैक्टिव सेगमेंट. सो लेट्स इंट्रोड्यूस टू द गेम सेगमेंट. एंड गेम 1 का नाम है सॉन्ग्स ट्रांसलेटेड इनटू संस्कृत. सो धानवी मैम बीइंग अ संस्कृत प्रोफेसर, वी विल गिव हर अ टास्क दैट मैं सॉन्ग्स के टाइटल्स बोलूँगी एंड मैम को वो संस्कृत में ट्रांसलेट करना है. सो लेट्स सी मैम कर पाते हैं कि नहीं. सो स्टार्टिंग विद द वेरी फर्स्ट सॉन्ग वी हैव काला चश्मा.
कृष्णम उपनेत्रम.
भाई साहब, खाई के पान बनारस वाला.
बनारसस्य तांबूलम खादित्वा.
तांबूलम.
It's pan, the beetle leaf.
बाप रे. अगर तुम साथ हो.
यदि त्वं मया सह असि.
ओ. मैंने दिल से कहा.
अहम हृदयम उक्तवान.
ओ. तू ही मेरी शब है.
त्वमेव मम रात्रिः असि.
रात्रि है.
शब. शब is रात.
ओ. जरा जरा बहकता है.
किंचित किंचित.
हाँ. दिल चाहता है.
हृदयम इच्छति.
पल पल हर पल.
क्षणम क्षणम प्रतिक्षणम.
आंखों में तेरी अजब सी.
तव नेत्रयोः.
हाँ. आओगे जब तुम.
यदा त्वं
हम्म.
आगमिष्यसि.
तुम ही हो.
त्वमेव असि.
कुछ कुछ होता है.
किंचित किंचित भवति.
दैट वॉज रियली क्विक गाइस. मैं तो नहीं कर सकती. दैट वॉज अ रियली क्विक आंसर. हाँ मैम. अभी टाइम है डिफिकल्टी लेवल और थोड़ा बढ़ाने का. ओके, सो सॉन्ग्स का हो गया. नाउ आई विल गिव यू मूवी टाइटल्स.
Okay.
ठीक है, एंड वो आपको संस्कृत में ट्रांसलेट करना है.
Let's go.
ठीक है. सो स्टार्टिंग विद द वेरी फर्स्ट, शोले.
अग्निकणाः.
अग्नि का नाम.
शोले.
ओ.
अग्नि के कण.
डीडीएलजे.
दिल वाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे.
हाँ.
हृदयवंतः
हाँ.
वधूम नेष्यन्ति. ले जाएंगे.
मैं ये बोल बोल के ना वो सच्ची लेके चला जाएगा. कभी खुशी कभी गम.
कदाचित आनंदः कदाचित दुःखम.
3 इडियट्स.
त्रयः मूर्खाः.
अब मैं यही बोलूंगी.
हाँ.
त्रयः मूर्खाः. कल होना हो.
श्वः भविष्यति न वा.
जब भी मैं.
यदा आवां मिलितवन्तौ.
बजरंगी भाईजान.
बजरंग भ्राता.
स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर.
वर्षस्य छात्रः.
तारे जमीन पर.
भूमौ तारकाः.
हम आपके हैं कौन.
अहं तव कः.
स्टूडेंट. पटा पोस्टर निकला हीरो.
छिन्नः पटः आगतः नायकः.
बाप रे. बैड न्यूज.
अशुभ समाचारः.
जैसे ही मैं आपको मूवीज के नाम दे रही हूँ एंड इंस्टेंट आ रहे हैं विद इन अ सेकेंड. सो दिस शोज कि आपको आपके सब्जेक्ट के ऊपर कितना प्यार है. सो ठीक है, अभी ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग गेम्स तो बहुत हो गए. ओके, यू बीइंग एन आर्टिस्ट. ओके, सो ये गेम आपके लिए. हाँ, आई विल आस्क यू सम क्वेश्चंस
Okay.
एंड आपको उसके जवाब देने हैं
Okay.
वाइल डूडलिंग. आपको डूडल करके उसके आंसर्स देने हैं.
Okay.
ओके,
Yes.
सो आर यू रेडी.
Of course.
और आपके पास बुक है, आपके पास स्केच पेन्स है.
Okay.
सो स्टार्टिंग विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. आपकी फेवरेट हॉबी.
Oh.
यू आर बीइंग सो टैलेंटेड. आपके पास बहुत सारे हॉबीज रहेंगे.
Yes.
सो वी वांट टू नो एक हॉबी.
Just one, right?
हाँ,
Okay.
जस्ट.
Okay, I am done.
Oh, just reveal your favorite hobby.
Can I show?
Yes, yes, of course.
Okay, so this is a representation of what I love. There are so many hobbies I am into, but then since she told me to pick one favorite hobby, I could not resist but pick two. I am an artist, I love art, I love Sanskrit. I want to paint the world with Sanskrit. I want to make the world Sanskritmaya. So Sanskritamayam Vishwam is my dream.
Wow, so nice, so pretty.
Thank you.
Okay, so next question.
Okay.
One shlok that you love.
Ooh,
Yes.
this is going to be my favorite. Okay, I'm done.
Oh,
Can I
it's time to
reveal?
reveal. Of course, ma'am.
So this is a scene from Mahabharat, and this is Bhagwan Krishna, and he's giving Updesh to Arjun. This is the time when Bhagwan Shri Krishna revealed Bhagavad Gita to Arjun and to, of course, us as well. So the favorite shlok that I love from this segment is Yada Yada Hi Dharmasya Glanir Bhavati Bharata Abhyutthanam Dharmasya Tadatmanam Srijamyaham Paritranaaya Sadhuna Vinashaya Cha Dushkritam Dharma Sansthapanarthaya Sambhavami Yuge Yuge. I'll come in every yug whenever there is an increase in adharma, and I will reset the world again. So this is my favorite part, and this is my favorite shloka. And I love depicting Krishna and Arjun's, brotherhood. So this is the reason.
It's so cute.
Thank you.
Okay, so next question we have your favorite street food.
Ooh. Goes without saying. You must have guessed it by now.
Ah.
But let me draw. By now you know this, but let me reveal. This is everyone's favorite Pani Puri.
Pani puri.
Of course. And then, oh yeah, I forgot to add one thing. The Sukha Puri that we all wait for. Here is the Sukha Puri as well. Because why not? So here it is.
Oh.
Okay.
I guess ये podcast खत्म होने के बाद we will go to eat pani puri.
Chale, done. Let's do it.
Oh, so next question.
Okay.
जब आप free होते हैं, what's the one thing you do when you're free?
When I'm free, wow.
Yes.
Okay. Plethora of things I do, but let me put the top three. So whenever I am free, I read. I do a lot of research. I pray. That gives me strength. I am learning Hindustani classical music as well. So I sing.
Wow.
I am learning classical dance, so I dance. And then I sleep, of course, when I'm very tired. Lots of things I do.
You are a singer. You are artist.
Yeah.
You are a teacher. You are a dancer. इतना creativity.
That is
कहाँ
because
से
of
मैम?
this. It's because of this person that I'm able to do so much.
Oh.
It's God. Nothing else can make me do so much.
But
It's
you are
not
God's
possible.
favorite child.
I am.
Yes.
It touches me. I guess everyone is. But
Okay,
yeah,
so
that's it.
last question.
Okay.
Which is your favorite place to visit?
Place.
Yes.
Ooh. Nice. Put me in a dilemma. There are so many. Done.
Oh.
Let me repeat. The favorite place of mine that I love is, of course, this Bhumi where I was born, and even in that, when I want to be specific, I love visiting temples. Be it any temple, this is my favorite place to visit in any place on earth. I just love that I am privileged to be born in this country, because I often tell my students as well, इससे बड़ी और कौन सी privilege हो सकती है कि you are born in the same place as the supreme God was born. You get to share the birthplace with the divine. Like, what is another saubhagya than this, right? So साक्षात जिस मिट्टी पर भगवान जन्मे हैं उसी मिट्टी पर हम भी जन्मे. We can proudly say, oh, we share the same birthplace as God Himself. My God, it's such a privilege to be born here, and I'll always be grateful to God that He made me take birth in this very place. This is my favorite place to visit on earth. And all the temples, all the places where there is knowledge, where there is a lot of ancient wisdom, I love visiting those places. So this is it.
Oh, it's so inspiring, ma'am.
Thank you.
It's so nice. As you can see, like, ma'am has drawn like within a 5 or 6 second. Mein, I'm asking you questions and you're drawing, and they're so cute. So this shows that, of course, आप जहाँ हो, yes, you are loving that thing. Okay, you are loving your profession. This shows you respect it, and it is such a nice to have you as our guest. So yeah. So moving towards the next segment.
Yes.
So that was a very fun segment, मैम. मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आया,
Same.
and I'm sure audience को भी बहुत मज़ा आया रहेगा.
True.
So moving towards the last segment, okay? So any message आपको देना है या about संस्कृत के बारे में कि like पहले संस्कृत का बहुत importance था, आज भी है, I'm not denying it, but इतना नहीं है.
Sure. So starting with the very first question that you asked, Sanskrit has been a very relevant language right since the very beginning, and it has existed since years now. So how did it gradually diminish? Because naturally different reasons. But then I would definitely say it's still alive, still relevant everywhere. There are so many villages that speak Sanskrit, and there are many places who have upheld the Sanskrit language in various forms, be it mantras, be it Gurukul systems, be it passing on the scriptures, knowledge of scriptures to the next generations. There are many people taking so many efforts to keep this language alive, and I really appreciate them. Sanskrit is a treasure of so many things. So many sciences. Let's talk about astronomy, astrology, Jyotish Shastra, Khagol Shastra, which is the science of space. We talk about medicine, we talk about Ayurveda, we talk about any topic under the sun, every single topic. We have scriptures on architecture, we have scriptures on Rasayan Shastra, chemistry, physics, biology, surgery, you name it, we have it in Sanskrit. So the point is, there is so much of timeless wisdom that exists in Sanskrit language. So learning this language will help us uncover so many secrets that have been there from the ancient times, and we can carry it forward only through this language. So learning this language is the key to such a huge treasure of so many things like I named. So there is science of dramatics, there is science of expression, Shastriya Sangeet, Shastriya Nritya Kala, Shastriya, there is this Natya Shastra, the science of dramatics, how to express your emotions, how to act, you name it, we have it, every single thing that we talk about, we have so many intense knowledge scriptures in this language. So just imagine learning this language would help you know so much and will, satiate your curiosity, will satisfy your curiosity about every single topic that you have in your mind. So the urge that I would urge the people to try to learn at least a bit every day. Little efforts will result in a very big result over the years, of course, but it will do. So make a little attempt to learn Sanskrit. Trust me, it will do wonders. It will really be magical. Your life will transform. Coming from my personal experience, Sanskrit has helped me remember things very quickly. So as students also, I would like to pass on this message. If you want to remember things very quickly, if you want a photo memory, learn Sanskrit. It will really help you. I am telling this from my personal experience. I am able to remember things keep things in mind very easily. Just by 1-2 readings I'm able to keep and store these things in mind. So it would be such a blessing to you all as well as students. It would be so nice कि वो डोरेमोन का जो ब्रेड था ना, ऐसे लगाओ और खा जाओ तो याद हो जाता है, तो वो ब्रेड की भी जरूरत नहीं है, संस्कृत सीख लो बस हो गया। तुम्हारी मेमोरी धीरे धीरे ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम इट विल रियली डू वंडर्स टू योर ब्रेन, एंड देयर आर also research papers which have proven this. So why not? And let's keep this lovely language alive. It will bring back the glory of this divine country, Bharat, and waiting to see that golden period of this country once again. So coming to the second part, how about a career in art? I would like to suggest some little things that you can do, which will go a long way. Number one, stay consistent. अपने साथ एक पॉकेट डायरी रखो, पॉकेट में एक पेन रखो, doodle whatever you see around you. You see a poster, draw it. You see a person sitting, draw it. You see a phone, draw it. You see a glass, draw it. Do whatever, but stay consistent. Just keep in touch with your diary and a pen. It will go a long way. Number two, never ever criticize your own art. Never do that. Never ever. Always be proud of what you make. Art is a liberal form, it never has rules. So never judge, never be your own judge. Don't let others also judge your art. Don't take things to your heart. Just be proud of what you make. Because art is all about expression. Whatever you express, it is your unique way of expression. Nobody can judge or decide. So do not let someone's bad remarks ruin your day. Just be proud of what you made. तुमने कुछ बना and I'm proud of it. Wow, I made this. I expressed my emotions in this. Be proud of it. And lastly, create a very sturdy portfolio of yourself. Whichever art form you are interested in, be it doodle, be it Wali, be it calligraphy, whatever. Practicing is important. Making a nice portfolio of your art is very important, so that you can show and you can display your portfolio to people. If it resonates with their art style, you are definitely going to get hired, and you're definitely going to make your art reach people. So portfolio is important. Never criticize your art, and always be consistent. Carry a pocket diary and keep making whatever you see. Even better, try gifting them whatever you make. It will make their day as well. So, little things, but they go a long way.
फिर से मिलते हैं को संस्कृत में क्या बोलेंगे मैम?
So the beauty of Sanskrit is this. In English we have bye, but in Sanskrit we don't say bye. We say punarmilamaha, which is वापस मिलेंगे. So it keeps you longing for that person and keeps the bond alive. So we say punarmilamaha.
पुनर्मिलामः.
Yes.
ठीक है, चलेगा.
Okay.
So can we say it together?
Of course, of course.
Okay. So 1, 2, 3.
Punarmilamaha.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.